Hello everyone, I'm so excited because my upcoming episode is all about sizes. Is zero even a size? You know, sometimes the reason why a lot of girls are suffering from an eating disorder, from low self-esteem, is because we are so focused on sizes. We can be beautiful whatever size we are in. Let's call it a happy size, size H, because, you know, it really is a matter of how we look at ourselves. We just want to appreciate ourselves. And if we want to be happy where we are, if we want to feel positive, we have to appreciate ourselves. And one way of appreciating ourselves is finding our strengths. When we're feeling low, because we feel that we're not enough, we can always switch our brains to think, okay, but I am good at this, but I am a warm person, I'm compassionate, I am real. Things like that. Sometimes people don't appreciate you for your good efforts, for your beautiful gifts, for your talent, and then they're quick on criticizing you. That's very normal, and sad to say, it can affect us more than the praises or the admiration. That's why I always say, let us not depend on the applause for us to feel good about ourselves, to simply find happiness within you. So it's not about being small. It's not about being thin. It's not about getting so many likes on our posts or so many followers on our Instagram accounts. It's about us being happy about our content when we put it out there. It's about us being proud of ourselves when we look at our photos. It's about accepting that as we get older, we're going to have wrinkles. We're going to have loose skin. We're going to have blemishes. It's part of getting older. I think for me, getting older is a privilege because we get to be here at this time in our lives. Sad to say, not many people get this far. And we are here. We're here to see our children grow up and have grandchildren. We're here to see changing times and technology. We're able to compare, 60 years ago, this was happening. I used to play on the streets. We'd come home with sweat on our bodies, right? But now it's all computer-generated games. And see, these technologies, they change. And we're here. We've seen them change, right? So, oh my gosh, we are pretty privileged to be where we are. So feel good about yourself and know that you have so much to give. There's so much in you that the community can benefit from. And that's why I love my channel. And I've been talking here. I thought I was going to give a 2-minute episode, just a quick episode. I just got so carried away that I don't know how long I've been talking here, but if you like my episode so far, may as well hit the like button and comment and share. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. And then that way you can help me spread good news about empowerment, self-empowerment, self-esteem, because that's my goal. I'm 62 years old, and at this time, at this age I am in, I can promise you that we can be positive in our outlook no matter what life throws at us, right? So eat healthy, sleep well, drink lots of water, engage in physical activity, think good thoughts, share your story, be proud of your story, and let's fix each other's crowns. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.